Hey everybody, welcome back to Coconut VA Talks. Of course, I'm Jam. I'm your host for today. And para sa ngayong episode na ito, in-invite natin ang isang Coconut VA. She's part of the internal team already and she's been with Coconut VA for almost 2 years and she is our marketing associate and she's none other than Reba! Hi,
Hi! Hello,
anong chika
hello.
mo? Salamat naman at nag-yes ka sa ating session for today.
Yeah, I'm excited to be part of this. I've seen a lot of Coconut VAs on Coconut VA Talk, so
So sinusubaybayan ni Coconut VA ito.
ah,
Ay, taray,
mga
it's giving.
chika ng mga co-VAs. So,
Diba? It's giving, it's giving. All right, so we're very, very excited for this. Alam mo, guys, kung alam niyo lang, nakailang risket na kami ni Riva ng recording niya. At ako yung kasalanan, may kasalanan hindi siya. Ako, so
very busy
as a
person.
very busy girl, as a sourcing, no, girl, no, medyo na-busy tayo at ngayon, may time na tayo, very excited for this. So, Riva, alam mo naman to, napapanood mo naman to, no? May three parts ito. First is the introduction, second is on a personal note, and third part is a surprise round. So, ang tanong, are you ready for the first part?
Ready?
Pero bago lahat, magpakilala ka muna. Like, give a brief description of yourself. How long, like, what do you do here in Coconut VA? All of those stuff.
Yeah, I'm January Varote. You can call me Riva. Wow, parang interview. Ah, I've been with Coconut V for almost 2 years. Magto 2 years na ako this July. I'm a marketing associate, so I help on the co-founder side of marketing. I help manage their LinkedIn, host webinars, grow the webinar attendees, send out email campaigns for the co-founders for their events, usually webinar as well. And then for Tyler, yung mga face-to-face events nila sa Arizona. Pickleball
Pickleball.
events, yeah. So, and then sana to help with marketing team as well here sa Philippines. So, I'm looking forward to
Oh my
more
God.
um more ambag sa internal team.
Ano ka ba? May ambag ka, dear. May kanya na tayong focus talaga. And we're super happy because finally, may marketing team na ang internal team.
Yeah.
So kami tatlo ni Rivet ni Amboyan, we are the marketing girls. Hoy, Powerpuff Girls. Gusto mo yun?
Abo,
So,
narinig mo yon, Powerpuff Girls?
oh, guys, kung hindi nyo alam, kasi si Amboy nag-edit ng mga, ating mga episodes, lahat ng mga videos na ina-upload natin all over, siyang nag-upload. So, thank you so much, Ambo. Ayan. So, Mima, Riva, sabi mo dito, you've been with Coconut VA for almost 2 years already ngayong July. So, I just want to ask, before Coconut VA, or maybe let's talk about before doing remote work, what were you doing?
I'm a customer success manager sa isang company sa TechnoHub, sa UP TechnoHub
Hmm.
sa Quezon City. So I've been
I'm
with that company for 3 years and 3 months before I resigned.
So 3 years and 3 months before you resigned. Why did you resign?
Nakakapagod ang traffic. 2019, before COVID, so nag-start ako mag-work way back 2014. So during 2014, ang travel time from Bulacan to Manila, Quezon City, Ortigas, ganon, is probably 45 minutes to an hour. And then way back 2019, lagi ng traffic kasi yung traffic, grabe. So, papasok ka. So, ang shift ko is 10. Pag hindi ako umalis before 8, late na ako. So,
Oh
2 hours
my
commute papunta and then pauwi since ang out ko is 6 a.m. Uwi ako mga, if ang out ko is 6, 7:30 or 8, nasa bahay na ako. So, it's a total of almost 4 hours commute pa lang. So,
I don't
pagod na
like
pagod ang katawang lupa ko.
I don't like to commute, girl. I can't imagine. And that's like a public transport commute.
Yeah, so if from Bulacan, so syempre nasa liblib na lugar pa kami na barangay. So tricycle ako palabas ng highway, and then jeep, and then UV, and then another UV from Trinoma to Techno Hub. So, yeah.
My. So like after leaving, your previous work bago ka mag-remote work, no? Where did you go next? Was it Coconut VA right away or did you apply to
Mm.
other companies?
So, nag-resign ako December 2019 and then nag-start ako mag-apply January 2020. So, I started applying to different virtual assistant agencies. And I don't know Coconut VA way back then. So, I applied to a lot of agencies and a lot of them doesn't accept newbie, ganon. So, almost 3 months akong apply lang ng apply. Oh, like,
Okay.
so, and then sakto, March, lockdown. So, na-hire ako first time as webinar host manager. So, syempre, yung first 3 months, send ka lang ng send ng application. Tapos may tumawag sa akin sa phone. Na sabi, I'm looking for Riva. Are you interested as a webinar host? Blah, blah, blah. And then wala nang interview over the phone lang. Sabi niya,
Oh,
okay, you'll start Monday. Sabi ko, hala, baka scam to. Kasi walang kahit ano.
yeah.
So, I started Monday, the next week, nung tumawag yung client. And then, yeah, legit naman siya.
Legit siya.
Very entry level. Na doon ko na-gain yung first experience ko working from home webinar hosting since COVID lockdown. So we host
Yes, in
Zoom
webinar hours.
webinars sa mga college. So usually webinars din but based in the UK. So ganon. And then ang naalala ko computer ko noon, bigay lang sa akin. Pentium
Oh,
1
ano
pa ata
computer mo
siya.
yun?
And sobrang bagal na. Na every time magra-run ako ng Zoom, magka-crash yung PC. Tapos magchat ako sa mga ka-team ko, te, pa-jump naman kasi namatay yung PC ko.
The RAM is not giving,
Oh!
te.
So, hala, kinakabahan ako. Buti na lang, yung director namin that time, Pinoy, and then sobrang understanding na. So, first sweldo, naghanap yung asawa ko ng second hand na PC na medyo mura-mura, pero maayos na yung RAM. So, the next start. And then, I started applying to different virtual assistant agency na nakagain na ako ng experience dun sa webinar company.
That was your stepping stone.
Yes.
Your stepping
Oo.
stone. So you lasted for how long in this company or in this with this client?
I was with the webinar company for 1 year and 6 months.
Oh, and now that's like more than enough, like minimum requirement sa lahat ng
Yeah.
out there.
So since UK client siya and lockdown that time. So UK client siya, usually my shift ends at 8 p.m., 9 p.m. So I was able to find a part-time virtual assistant job that is based in the US. So
Hmm.
nag-start ako as inside sales associate. Yung client ko nun is nanggaling din sa virtual assistant agency. Yun yung first VA agency na napasukan ko.
Hmm. So from there, after that, naging Coconut VA ka na.
Alam mo, hindi pa. Ang dami ko pang VA agency na pinagdaanan. So,
Nagdaanan din.
6 months
Although,
ako doon sa VA agency na yon. Hindi ako tumagal kasi nga, very entry level ang pay nila. Sobra yung micromanagement nila doon. So, bawal kang ma-idle ng 1 minute. And then, the first month ng training namin as a VA, 8 hours na on yung webcam. So, na-discuss naman sa amin na walang bayad yung training, which is sure, walang bayad, but 8 hours on yung webcam. So,
oh
um,
no, that's so bad.
meron akong black rimmed glasses before na polarized siya. So, hindi mo makikita if nakaganyan ako. Hindi mo makita yung mata ko. So, pag antok na antok ako, suot ko yung glasses. Umiidlip ako ng ganun kasi hindi ko na talaga naka-on yung webcam.
Hey,
Bawal
that's
ako matulog.
insane.
So, 1 month training, no pay. Babayaran ka lang nila ng training allowance mo pag nagkaroon ka ng client. So, it took me a few months to land a client with them. And then 6 months lang yung tinagal ko sa kanila.
Oo naman, me.
So, ayun. So, next, yun na yun na yung stepping stone ko para makapasok sa ibang VA agency. Kasi usually, most of them, kapag may experience ka na working from home, may experience ka na sa other VA agency, then pwede ka nang mag-apply. So, I applied to different VA agencies. A lot of them are entry levels. A lot of them doesn't give compensation, enough compensation, enough benefits. Like, yung iba sa kanila, may mga dispute sa salary. And I really hate that. Like, yung dispute sa salary. Kasi way back corporate, oh, like, halimbawa, I log in 8 hours and then late daw ako 5 minutes. So, 7 hours lang yung babayaran nila that day kasi
One
late
hour ang
ako.
bawas?
Oh, like yung mga gano'n, nakakaloka. Oh, my God. Bakit ganito? So, yun lang. Tapos nauso yung TikTok and then I saw Eric's TikTok post. Yun nga. So, na Coconut VA offers way back 2021 parang $6 pa lang yung rate ni Coconut VA. So, and then they give 13th month pay, HMO. Before, ang HMO is hindi pa yung HMO natin ngayon eh. So, different HMO pa siya, pero they offer HMO na yung mga ganun-ganun, mga pakulo. So, sabi ko, hala, gusto ko ako mag-apply sa ano na to, sa VA agency na to. So, nag-apply ako. It took me 6 months to land a client sa Coconut VA. I did like two client interviews, both of them nag-no. And then after 6 months, Liza sent me another email saying, Riva, are you still interested on getting hired by a client through Coconut VA? So sabi ko, sige. And then I land my first client with Coconut VA, 2021, July 2021.
So
What?
2021,
No, July 2021. No, is it
tama.
just 2021 or 2022? Wait.
Parang 2022 May.
Oo, oo. Wait.
2020. Oo. So anyways, like from there, naging masaya ka na. Kasi
Ah,
nahanap mo na si Coconut VA.
oo
No?
naman.
So like,
Parang,
ano bang differentiator ni Coconut VA sa ibang pinagdaan mo? Bakit mo pinili si Coconut VA?
nung nag-start ako dito, kasi sa different VA agencies na napasukan ko, mahigpit sila. They have time tracker. Sa akin, okay lang yung time tracker. Okay
Yeah.
lang, carry. So they have time tracker and then they request end of day report. I've been to a VA agency now. They have a template for your end of day
EOD.
report. And then they sometimes um I have Zoom meetings with clients and then si clients has other people joining the Zoom meeting. They would message me on Skype and ask me, Riva, sino to? Hindi ko to kilala. Hindi naman to yung client mo. Bakit ka may ka-Zoom meeting na hindi ko kilala? Like, they watch the screen ng kung anong ginagawa mo. So, all the apps that you're opening sa Google Chrome mo. So, they will verify it if it is part of your job. Why are you opening this ganito, ganyan, ganyan. Before, ang ginagawa ko is lead generation. So, I open a lot of links talaga. So,
Ay
they
naman.
would criticize kung ano yung ginagawa ko.
Ang
And
OA! Ayoko
so,
lang guys.
so sabi ko, sige kako, okay lang. And then, nung nandito na sa Coconut VA, nag-onboard ako sa client, part-time, ganyan. So, sabi ko kay Fem, anong tracking tool ang gagamitin natin? Halate, wala tayong ganun, te. Paano mo malalaman na nagtatrabaho ako? We work on trust here. We trust our VA. Sabi ko, sobrang refreshing ng ganong klase na um, HR na ganong klaseng internal team na
Correct.
hindi sila doubtful sa'yo. Usually
Mm-mm.
kasi a lot of um, Filipino HR, recruitment, internal team ng mga virtual assistant agency, medyo doubtful sila sa mga VAs nila na kailangan assured sila na, oh, you're doing your job, so you do this. They will give
Correct.
you three different monitoring, tracking devices para lang ma-make
Instead,
sure na you're doing your job. So,
graduate
very
ako.
refreshing.
So, like, before even becoming, like, syempre galing kang corporate, right? What was your North Star? back then? Why did you want to like join the VA world or the remote world?
So, nung nanganak ako sa youngest ko, so I was on maternity leave for 3 months. So, bored ang lola mo. So, nag-check ako, ano ba mga magagawa ko at home? And then doon ko na-discover yung mga groups na apply daw sa Upwork, apply daw sa mga online jobs page, mga ganyan. Eh, corporate girly, galing akong call center for 6 years that time. So, wala akong idea. Very stagnant yung career ko. Hindi nga ako sanay mag-excel nun eh.
Yeah.
Like, I cannot speak English na conversive unless may script, unless related sa job ko, yung mga ganon. Takot akong
Oh, makes sense.
mag-English, takot akong kumausap pag
Yeah.
makikita ko ng foreigner, tatago ako. So, sabi
Yeah.
ko, feeling ko, hindi ko kaya. So, nakakaba naman. And then sabi ng asawa ko, if nahihirapan ka na mag-commute, why don't you resign? Try mo yon, do some trainings, ganun ganon. So, yung first virtual assistant agency na napasukan ko, they did 1 month unpaid training na. Doon ko natutunan yung mga basic task as a VA. And then, as I um as I move forward with the career, as I find more clients, and then nag-grow din yung skills ko. Hindi ko akalain na matututo ko na aside from Excel, like Google Spreadsheet, ang dami ko nang alam na tools
Along
ngayon.
the way.
Yeah, like before, way back, if I'm gonna look back 5 years ago, hindi ko iisipin na matututo ako. Kasi very, ano ko, hindi ako ganun ka-techy.
Yeah.
So, uh, long way na yung pinagdaanan as a VA.
Having said that, like what was your number one goal? Bakit mo hinayaang daanan mo lahat yan? Bakit mo hinayaang umalis ka ng comfort zone? What was your number one goal?
Financial financial capability. Hindi ko masasabi na financial freedom pa ngayon. But being able to provide a better quality of life sa kids, being a present parent and having a better quality of life for the kids. Seeing na gano yung difference ng rate sa corporate world, sa call center, and then being
Yeah.
a VA, it's it's really different. Like, ang laki ng gap. So, I really took the risk. And it's worth it. So, yeah.
For you to be able to live more comfortably, no, and be able to provide for your family and, give them a very comfortable life too. No?
Yeah.
A life, no? Tutoy, tatawid na ako sa part 2 on a personal note. Like, kasi connected na rin naman siya dyan. So like, having said that, yun yung North Star mo, ito yung parang biggest goal mo, ano? Financial capability, provide to the family. Na-achieve ba yon ni Coconut VA?
Yes. Sabi ko nga sa asawa ko, alam mo, next time, pasok ka din dito para dalawa tayong nandito.
Why not? Kilala na siya ni
Diba?
Donna.
So, aside from having above minimum rate in the virtual assistant world, I was able to have more time for myself, more time for the family. Kasi working with George, he really asked me, ano yung mga goals mo, not just in Coconut VA, but personally. Ano yung mga target mo, list it down, send it to Miss Donna, and we'll go back in a year or two and see ano ba yung mga naitulong ni Coconut VA sa'yo. So, it's really different here. So last year, we were able to get married.
Oh,
Me and my husband have been living together for 11 years. We have a 10-year-old girl na panganay, and then yung bunso namin is 5. So we're able to get married. Um, a very financially literate yung husband ko. So he was able to manage our finances really well. Na we're able to save a lot. Um, we have a car right now. So, isa pa yun sa mga kwento ko na 5 years ago, nung nag-work ako sa corporate, sabi ko, yung kasing napasukan ko before resigning, yung office sa TechnoHub, they offer Plan B. So
Yeah,
if you stay for 5 years dun sa company na yon, they will give you a portion of your salary na na-save mo and they will match it. So way back
yeah.
before,
The
talking.
bonus, right?
So, it's about 200, 300K. Sabi ko, if magstay ako sa company na to, tapos I will save 300K, we can buy a second-hand car, we can buy probably a property na meron down payment na ito yung panda-down natin, ganun. And then, last year, we were able to buy a brand new car. So, sabi
Ah,
ko,
diba?
di ba, 5 years ago, iisipin mo lang na, second-hand car yung kaya namin. And we were able to buy a brand new one. So, hindi mo iisipin na kaya mo palang gawin. So, a lot of things
Nakakatuwa.
are possible. So, yeah.
So, from there, like 2 years in the making with Coconut VA, no, what was their biggest milestone?
I think it's becoming a part of internal team. So,
Sige nga,
um,
why is it such a milestone to be part of the internal
kasi
VA?
um seeing how a Coconut VA community is, you wanna see what's inside Coconut VA. How do they
Oh,
manage being active? How do they manage to provide those perks, those incentives, those activities with their VAs? How the co-founder thinks, like how do they let Miss Donna become the CEO here in the Philippines, diba? And
correct.
then a lot of internal team are really happy. So, they're really energetic and I want to be part of a community of a team that is like that.
Agree, agree. Sobrang getting to know the behind the scenes, no? Like how we actually operate. Now that you see it, no? Wala namang masyadong magic na technical, pero the magic is really culture. Culture
Yeah.
talaga. Culture. And I'd say, ilan lang ba tayo sa team ngayon? We are currently 4, 6, 8, 10, 13. We're now 15. Alam niyo ba? I've been to other agencies before, and on their second year, they're over 100. But now we're 13.
Yeah.
And then we're like moving, we're operating smoothly, we've been getting good results. And it's all about culture and leadership of the executives talaga. It's giving.
Yeah, I talked to one of our co-VAs to Boracay Getaway. She came from a different virtual assistant agency. Internal team siya doon. Sabi niya sa akin, alam mo, Riva, nakaka-culture shock dito, no? Isipin mo, ang konti lang ng internal team and then they were able to plan the Boracay Getaway. Eh, halos si Miss Donna nga ata yung nag-facilitate nun, di ba? Sabi niya, tapos how active they are, parang iisipin mo, ang dami nila sa likod. Pero nung nakita ko, ang konti lang nila compare namin doon sa kabilang agency, hundreds kami doon. Pero parang feeling daw ng mga VA, absent yung HR, absent yung internal team. So it really makes a difference seeing how the team works here.
Nakaka-proud, no? Ako napaproud
Oh,
ako. Because I know a lot of behind the
oh.
scenes. Iba tayo dito, Mi. Iba
Mm.
tayo. I can 100% say na iba tayo dito. So, being part of the entire team is a milestone for you. And besides that, biggest milestone is nakakuha ka ng kotse, nagpakasal kayo after 11 years, bahay, you're living comfortably. Will you having said all these now, will you recommend this to your friends, to your family, to your mga colleagues so before? Would you recommend Coconut VA with all confidence?
Definitely, yung mga friends ko na may VA experience na before, I always tell them, kahit wala pa ako sa Coconut VA before ha, sinasabi ko, alam mo, if maghahanap ka ng virtual assistant agency, dito ka na mag-apply. Merong ano dito, merong ganitong perks, may 13th month, which is talagang winawow ng lahat na VA agency, tapos may 13th month. So, I'll recommend it to anyone, especially those na may mga experiences sa different virtual assistant agency. The culture here will really shock them pag nakapasok sila.
Ako, na-culture shock din ako. Sabi ko, hala, ano ba sa HR na to? Ba't ang kengkoy? Sabi,
Totoo talaga yan. Like,
galing
noong
sa
una,
ganun eh.
very formal pa eh. Very formal ako
Well,
mag-chat.
ganun
Tapos
talaga sila.
mag-reply, te.
Yung mga pinanggalingan ko, te, ganun talaga sila lahat para silang mga ano, te, mga AI. AI! Ano pa rito, ha? Ganon. Ganon ang mga naramdaman ko pagpasok ko dito. Parang, ha, ba't may gato dito? Ganon.
Oo.
So, kung tatanungin ng mga i-recommend mo, like, uy, Riva, bigyan mo ako tips. Give me tips naman kung paano pumasa sa Coconut VA. What would you say? Like, what tip would, like, number one tip lang, top of mind.
Follow instructions diligently. Like,
Correct.
yeah, follow instructions diligently and read.
Oo. Actually ngayon, kung hindi nyo pa alam guys, no, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood, ang iksi na ng ating app form. Ngayon
Mm.
ha, yung revised one as of, I think, third or fourth week of June 2024, ang iksi na ng app form. I swear. So, ewan ko na lang kung mawala-wala ka pa dyan. I swear, sobrang iksi na, kaya you have to read. Or
Yeah.
else. Di ba? Kung hindi
But
nyo alam, yes, meron tayong walkthrough. Application walkthrough. Ililink ko siya dito. It's 5 modules and it will help you with your application journey dito sa Kukurat Via. Were you about to say something?
yeah, so Jam gives a lot of resources. I was able to watch yung talk ni Tyler on how to make the Loom video. So a lot of it are really helpful.
Yeah, so just maximize it, guys. That's why we have a YouTube channel too. So
Yeah.
go for it. Subscribe na. Ayan. So me, dito na tayo sa exciting round. Yung hindi mo alam. Yung this or that. Are you ready for this?
Okay, go.
Okay. Ano ka lang, you will just choose and why, no? So, pipili ka lang dito. What do you want? Work from home or work from the beach?
Work from home.
Bakit?
I don't wanna work from the beach. I wanna swim and relax at the beach.
Makes sense. Parang ano ka, no? May boundaries ka like, work is work. Okay. Vacation is vacation, not
Yeah,
workation. Got it, got it. Full-time or part-time?
full time.
Why?
Minsan nga 14 hours pa if pwede eh. But yeah, working from home gives me a lot of extra hours. So why not maximize it into earning? So yeah, full
Correct.
time.
Tsaka mas stable for me full-time,
Yeah.
honest. 13-month pay or HMO?
Hala, pwede mo both.
Pwede, isa lang te. Huwag kang ano.
Um, Wait. HMO. HMO
Bakit?
na lang. Kasi 13th month pay, pwede na lang, kurot-kurot na lang sa monthly mo yan. Tapos ilagay mo na lang sa different bank account sa savings and then spend mo sa December. HMO kasi minsan when we purchase something na feeling natin di natin kailangan, kahit kailangan naman talaga natin, medyo mabigat bayaran. And medyo confusing yung ibang HMO plans dito sa atin. So, you really need a trusted advisor
Yeah.
if you want to purchase an HMO plan. So, I'd prefer an HMO.
Yeah, and it's so hard to get HMO as a freelancer, by the way.
Yeah,
So,
my husband is trying to get one. I think last month pa namin kausap yung advisor na. Tingnan ngayon, di pa kami nakakabayad kasi di pa
exactly.
tapos.
Exactly. So, HMO tayo. Paid time off or US holiday?
Paid time off.
Bakit?
Um, not based on my experience, not a lot of clients celebrate US holidays, and I prefer to plan my leaves in advance, especially if we're gonna spend it on a holiday, birthday ng kids, family getaway. So yeah, pay time off.
Correct. And it's more flexible,
Yes.
right? Next, time doctor or yung nag-record or jibble?
Oh, Jibble.
Ang bilis si bakla. Bakit, Jibol?
Or si Hana nga, sabi niya, hala, yung Jibol ko 6 months nang nakalagin.
Hoy! Hindi niya enough yung Jibol niya, te.
So, isang araw daw siyang edit ng edit ng edit ng Jibol na. And it's just as easy as time in, time out. So, I usually set my alarm when I need to log in. And I just open the browser, automatically nakasave na yung Jibol. So, I time in, time out, and that's it.
And it doesn't screen record, it doesn't do
Yeah.
screenshots. It's just for timekeeping purpose. Grabe, 6 months ako na Jibol. Sinong mama mo? Okay, last one. I love Coconut VA because blank.
I love Coconut VA because of the community it has.
Yes, can you elaborate?
The active community, very accepting community, and a community that has virtual assistant with like-minded individuals.
Okay.
Like it's really that I really like going out with them. I met and get to be friends with some VAs when we went to Boracay. So yeah.
Boracay was the highlight talaga. Ako Boracay was the highlight. Thank you so much, Riva, for answering all the questions. I hope you enjoyed this interview. Did you enjoy?
Yeah, I did. I'm
Inter-
excited to show it to my friends.
Oo, lalabas ito next month. So, this will be published on August. Ayan, August.
Okay.
Very, very excited for that. Do you want to promote anything at this point?
Yeah, kapag kailangan niyo ng
Ah,
work, mag-apply na kayo dito sa Coconut
correct.
VA.
Comment mo. Nandito sa description box, link below.
Yeah, link below.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, Riva. And I hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you guys again on the next episode. Bye.
Bye.